Hey there, wealth builders. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore smart strategies to achieve financial freedom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today, we're uncovering 9 proven ways to build wealth, even with a limited income. If you think being on a budget limits your ability to build wealth, think again. Let's jump right in. You don't need to be rolling in dough to start building a solid financial foundation. Plenty of people, myself included, have built wealth from the ground up, starting with a limited income. The real secret? It's all about understanding that every single dollar you save and invest is like a little worker bee out there building your honey empire. Every little bit adds up over time, especially when you're smart about it. Let me give you an example. Let's say you cut back on your daily coffee run and manage to save an extra $5 a day. That might not seem like much, but over a year, that's over $1,800. Now imagine investing that money and letting it compound over time. Suddenly you're looking at a nice little nest egg, all because you decided to brew your own coffee. The point is, building wealth on a limited income isn't about making drastic sacrifices or winning the lottery. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your spending habits and finding ways to invest even small amounts of money consistently. Budgeting isn't exactly the sexiest topic, but trust me folks, it's the foundation of any solid financial plan. If you don't know where your money's going, how can you save and invest? Track every dollar you spend. That morning coffee, impulse purchases, it all adds up. Tons of apps make it easy. Mint, YNAB, Personal Capital, great options. Once you see your spending habits, make adjustments. We've talked about budgeting and tracking expenses, but what if you could increase your income? That's where side hustles come in. I'm a huge advocate for side hustles. They're an incredible way to boost your income and gain new skills. The beauty of side hustles is that there's something for everyone. Are you a great writer? Offer freelance writing services. Good with technology? Become a virtual assistant. Passionate about fitness? Start a personal training business. One of my favorite side hustles is real estate. It can generate serious passive income over time. Identify your skills and interests to find the right side hustle. The more income streams you have, the faster you can reach your financial goals. Alright, let's talk investing. I know, it can seem intimidating, especially when you're working with a limited budget. But here's the truth. Investing is for everyone, and it doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. One of the smartest and most accessible ways to start investing is through low-cost index funds. These are like diversified baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, which can be risky and time-consuming, index funds allow you to invest in a broad range of companies with just one purchase. The beauty of index funds is their simplicity and low fees. You can open an account with a reputable brokerage like Vanguard or Fidelity, choose a low-cost index fund that aligns with your risk tolerance, and start investing with as little as $100. When you invest in index funds, your money has the potential to grow exponentially over time. As your investments earn returns, those returns are reinvested back into the market, generating even more returns. It's like a snowball effect for your wealth. Let's dive into the power of compound interest. It's like magic for building wealth. Invest a small amount today and your returns start earning returns. The earlier you start, the more your money grows exponentially. Even small monthly investments can make a huge difference long term. Start now and be consistent. Alright folks, let's talk about the elephant in the room: debt. Specifically, high interest debt like credit cards and payday loans. This type of debt is like a financial anchor weighing you down. Every dollar in interest is a dollar that could be invested. Prioritize paying off high interest debt quickly. One popular method is the debt snowball method. Focus on the smallest debt first, then move to the next. Alright, let's talk about something that's not exactly exciting, but is absolutely essential for financial peace of mind: building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can pop up when you least expect them. Your car might break down, you might face a medical emergency, or you might even lose your job. Having a solid emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, ensuring that you can handle these unexpected events without going into debt or derailing your financial progress. So how much should you aim to save in your emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. This means if you lose your job or face a major unexpected expense, you'll have enough money to cover your essential needs for several months while you get back on your feet. But remember, building an emergency fund is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't have to save it all at once. Alright, let's talk about something that's often overlooked when it comes to building wealth: continuous learning and self-improvement. The more you know about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Think of it this way: knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your money. The more you learn, the more confident and in control you'll feel about your finances. Now, I'm not saying you need to become a financial expert overnight or get a degree in economics, but there are countless resources available to help you expand your financial literacy and stay ahead of the game. One of my favorite ways to learn is by reading books and listening to podcasts. Some of my all-time favorites include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, and The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Alright, let's talk about something that's often overlooked when it comes to building wealth: the power of networking and mentorship. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals and seeking guidance from experienced mentors can make a world of difference in your financial journey. Think about it. We're all influenced by the people we spend the most time with. If you're constantly surrounded by people who are stuck in a scarcity mindset or have a negative attitude towards money, it's going to be much harder for you to break free from those limiting beliefs and achieve financial abundance. On the other hand, when you surround yourself with people who are driven, ambitious, and financially savvy, their energy and knowledge will rub off on you. You'll be exposed to new ideas, learn from their experiences, and gain valuable insights that can accelerate your own financial growth. Networking can feel intimidating, especially if you're naturally introverted, but it's a skill worth developing for your financial success. There you have it, folks. 9 proven ways to build wealth, even with a limited income. Which strategy resonated with you most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and join our community for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and here's to your wealth building success.